Where are we going now?
To the basement area. Oh, wow.
So the National Treasure documented 8,500 pieces down here at the time they were here, but there's even more. There's records. I think that's what Jamie Ford had in his book, right? The records, 45s.
Oh, yeah. Because his dad he was into jazz in the book.
And Monica Sone, she wrote Nisei's daughter. They had a hotel in Occidental Park. She said that they had that Sunbright in their hotel. It was way before the war.
Cleanser.
And when the National Trust came in here and documented everything, they asked if I wanted them to put it back the way it was, and I said, no, just leave it. So that's pretty much why you see it this way, but I do have photographs of it where everything was not in boxes, but it's all cataloged and mapped. The map is on the wall up there, so the catalog correlates with the mapping.
So do you ever have people who were in the camps come to you and say, my dad was in the camps, or my dad, we would really love to see this area?
No, not so much. I mean, when I bought the building, because I had seen this is part of the whole history, that it's here, that you don't have to do anything, right? I mean, I don't refuse anybody access or knowledge.
Yeah. It would seem like you would have a lot of descendants of people who were in the camps that all of a sudden want to reconnect with their grandfather or their parents.
Well, it's kind of coming around a different way now that I want to do the museum. Like there was these women in yesterday, and I said, oh yeah, look at that koto I just got. And she said, you know, we have one of those. It was Mom's.
So has anything like the Smithsonian ever approached you to come in and take a look at it? No, that's surprising.
It's the National Treasure.
Wow.
Yeah, it would be nice if they did.
Well, that's one of the things that's missing from Washington, D.C. is they don't have an Asian American history museum. There's an art museum, which is very small. They have a Native American museum, and they have a new African American museum, but there's no Asian American museum. So the author of the book, I mean, this must have been his inspiration to write the book, right? Actually seeing
Pretty
this.
much.
Do you remember him actually?
Yeah, he'll be here today. He's coming by. He's picking up a piece. He stayed here a while back, and he left his charger or something. But all these little white tags are the National Trust.
Wow.
That you see.
So how did this all happen? There was the internment notice that said you had 10 days to report to camp. Everyone wanted to put their stuff, they didn't have a place to store everything.
Well, Mr. Hori, first of all, because he was an American, right? He thought it was for Japanese people. Right. And then it was like a few days in there, he realized that he was going. His whole family was going. And then everybody knew that they were going.
So first it was just the residents of the hotel that were going to the camps that were storing their stuff, but then it became more of the community.
Somebody said, hey, Tak, can I put my stuff in your basement? He said, sure. And then this one told that one told that one, da-da-da. So soon it was just full.
So when did this convert when did it become a treasure versus junk in my basement?
It was me. I mean, I saw that the fact that this was our history. It's American history. And Japanese American history. I think it's really important.
Oh, yeah. Well,
for all people.
One box that really caught my eye was the one of the basketball trophies and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm thinking, if anything tells you that these were Americans, it's those
Basketball.
trophies playing basketball. You know,
and baseball.
Yeah.
I have pictures upstairs where they're using mallets for a bat.
Wow.
Can you imagine? And tents in the background, teepees.
Yeah.
I mean, how long ago is that? So this is what I think should come out of here into a warehouse space somewhere, so they can come in and start working on the museum. It's this big story that keeps going around, and that story that was just in the Met, Seattle Met magazine. I like what it says at the end. It says, the Panama helped save the Nihonmachi stories until the rest of the world caught up. That's a visionary, right? Yeah. I'm still working on that process.